Let's continue our lesson about farm animals. This time is the speaking part. Are you ready? Say one more time. Farm animals. Okay, here is the structure. Here is the question. So if you see Donald Duck, that means the boys, right? The boys are going to speak. You're going to ask, what farm animal is it? Again, what farm animal is it? So now let's make it faster or a little faster. What farm animal is it? And so if you see Minnie Mouse, you're going to say the answer. It is, for example, here. So you see this is a cat. So you will say it is a cat. Okay? If you see Donald Duck, it's the boys who are going to speak. If you see Minnie Mouse, you're going to say it girls. Okay? Let's say one more time. What farm animal is it? And the girls will say it is a cat. You have to look at the picture. Here we go. Get ready. You look at the picture and what is it? All right, I hope you remember. And now, boys, what you're going to say? Ask, what farm animal is it? Say it again. What farm animal is it? Girls, for the Minnie Mouse will be the girls. It is a duck. Say one more time. It is a duck. Boys, what farm animal is it? Girls, it is a duck. Okay, you get that? It's easy. So now we have another animal here. We will ask the question, boys, what farm animal is it? Girls, you answer, it is a horse. It is a horse. Next, we have boys. What farm animal is it? So it's easy. Girls, you say now, it is a rat. Good. You have to practice with teacher. I'm helping you. Next one, look at the picture here. What farm animal is it? And girls, you will say, it is a hen. Well done. Now, look at this. It's easy. Boys, what farm animal is it? What farm animal is it? Girls, it is a monkey. Very good. Now, let's have this. It's going to be different, right? Because Donald Duck is at the bottom. Girls, what farm animal is it? Girls, say it again. Follow teacher. What farm animal is it? Now look at the picture here. Donald Duck. It means the boys. It is a frog. Good. It is a frog. One more time, girls. What farm animal is it? Boys, the answer is, it is a frog. And now we have, look at the picture now. Girls, what farm animal is it? Say it again. What? Okay. Boys, it is a rat. Say again. It is a rat. Now, I think you can do by yourself. I will say it only once. Girls, what farm animal is it? Boys, it is a horse. Good. Next, girls, say it now. Ask the question. What farm animal is it? Boys, it is a hen. Okay, here we go. Donald Duck ask again. What farm animal is it? Girls, It is a frog. Next, boys, what farm animal is it? Girls, it is a bird. Well done. So now we say goodbye and see you next time.